Overland Park police are working a string of auto burglaries. Sayed Shabir is live near College Boulevard in Metcalf, where dozens of vehicles were broken into overnight. Sayed?
That's right, Cynthia. More than 24 cars were hit during the overnight hours, including many right here in the parking lot at the Overland Park Sheraton. And I'm told by police that the most common car hit was a pickup truck. Drivers woke up this morning, went out to their cars, and found their windows busted out. Police say there were at least 9 cars hit in the Embassy Suites at 435 in Metcalf, and a dozen more at the Sheraton and at the Hilton Garden down the street on College Boulevard. Now, the only suspect description that we have at this point from police is that the suspect or suspects were last seen in a red Pontiac Grand Prix or Grand Am. Anyone who may have seen something last night or has any information is asked to call the TIPS hotline 474-TIPS. Reporting live in Overland Park, Sayed Shabir, 41 Action News.